So what are the secrets known by industry leaders who consistently succeed? Secret number one, the primary reason for the turnaround is to restore the condition and profitability of the business unit without compromising safety. Maximize profitability with improved uptime for the year. So our outage targets are essentially minimum duration, efficient execution, all work completed on time, a single button start, and a reliable run to the next planned outage. Now, if we fail to achieve any one of those, the result is increased downtime for the year and reduced profit. So the financial performance of a typical production unit may look something like this. We start off making money until we hit the annual outage. After the outage, we continue to make money until such time as there's some unplanned downtime. And this may happen several times throughout the year. But finally, we end up with an annual revenue that is greater than our annual operating cost. So there is our profit. And of course, the point where we move above the annual operating cost is Black Friday. Now, notice, all of our profit is made after Black Friday. Now, if we were able to reach our outage objectives or targets, our financial performance the next year may look vastly different. It would start off the same till we got to the annual outage, which we would reduce in duration. Then it would continue without all the unplanned downtime. Perhaps we'd put in a mini outage towards the end of the year. And finally, we'd end up with a new revenue, a new profit, and our Black Friday will have moved. Notice, there's a longer profitable run after Black Friday, and our profit has significantly improved. So, how much profit are you losing due to inefficiency in your plant outages? Well, when is your Black Friday? Let us imagine it's at the end of November. Do you accumulate a week of unplanned downtime over a year of operation? You do? Then it's 25%. What if you had 4 plants like that? So now we simply accumulate the profit gained in all of them. And there we have a 5th plant, without having to buy it, build it, or even run it, simply by eliminating the accumulated downtime due to the inefficiencies in turnaround planning, scheduling, and execution.